यहाँ अझै राम्रो रहेछ त मामु यहाँ तिमी Guys, hi.
Excited?
Are you guys in there?
Yes.
Well, how'd you guys like the tour?
Hey, Daddy. हामी तीन भाइको
Check. Can I mark your mail right back there? Okie dokie, artichoke. Let's get this show on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I'd like to welcome you aboard the amphibious duck Bottle Now. My name's Kevin, and today I'll be your tour guide, your boat captain, and your alligator wrangler over the next 8.5-mile journey. Gonna take you half on land, half on water. And if you're lucky, well, maybe even a little bit through the air. Now, if you guys have any questions and all throughout the trip, just answer them. And if I don't know the answer, well, I'll probably just make something up. So now, coming up on either side of the dock, you guys are going to see some hand-carved granite statues. Now, these statues, they once had a town, the Chicago Board of Trade building until 1932, when it was redecorated by a stick of dynamite. Now, before this redecoration occurred, Helen and Rob purchased all these statues, and used them to decorate her home, Delton Manor. Guys, please keep Helen and Rob in the back of your mind today, as we'll be discussing her a little bit later on. Guess what I'm really trying to say here, guys, is please don't take those statues. No. Oh dear. They look so real. Want me to tell you? It's this big girl, her name is Guadalcanal, purchased by the United States Army and used in World War II and the Korean War. It's carrying troops and supplies. She's powered by a 5.9-liter Cummins engine. She's turbocharged. She's 32 feet long, 8 feet 2 inches wide, 9 feet tall. And she weighs in at a slim and slender 7.5 tons. 6 to 8 knots. I landed somewhere up around 50 miles an hour. She's got 6 years in total, 5 in drive, 1 in reverse. Folks, this big girl about 6 to 8 miles.
Hi
Making us
guys.
some of the coolest people in town.
Did it?
So folks, I said this trip is going to be half on the water. Who's ready for the water? Oh, come on guys, make some noise. Who's ready? Just stop and check for traffic. Oh my goodness, guys, isn't that just beautiful? The Pacific Ocean. Just like that, guys. We're now boat float to the Wisconsin River. So I've actually just disengaged the wheels. And if you guys want to look off either to the left or the right, you still see I'm slowly sinking to the bottom. So guys, our first point of interest on the river today is going to be off on the left, about 15 feet up off the water line. You guys see that big iron bar hanging out of the cliff up there? That is known as a rafter's hook. So back between the 1830s and the 1870s, the predominant industry in this area was the lumber industry. Whether it's now snapped off and still sits there to this day. And the baby grand piano tipped off the right side of the rock, and it can still be seen with its legs resting out pulpit's rock and its keys facing the heavens. Now, if you guys weren't listening to my story there, it is totally alright. On its stacked rocks. 2.5 to 3 feet over to the right, and it curves up towards the sky. Trying to pull all that graffiti there. Check out this past map here right now.
Oh my god.
Then I understand it, but what's all day? That's right, guys. She makes quite a lot of dough. In a few years, she could be making the real. He kept hitting me, and I said, "Ouch! Ouch! Damn! Oh my goodness! Please stop!" He said, "Kevin, you want me to stop or just kind of slow down?"
Hey.
All that she didn't even laugh. Alright guys, yeah, I know that was way too long. But, promise you here, this next joke, it's the exact opposite. Folks, this is called roller coaster bill. Woo! Yeah. You guys are now sitting on top of Last Look Point, which is the same for two reasons. And so last good look at those Scots right there. You guys are going to be seeing it. Seriously, guys. Working here at the entire weeks now. Remember where that tree was? Ta-da! Believe it or not, guys, we do take safety very seriously. That's why all for the right. I personally installed that steel safety barricade. Now, as I guess that's supposed to do. Well, guys, when I bought it from Hank, Dunner Hank's Hardware, he told me we could hold back a chicken. We could surely hold back a duck. Hey guys, off on the left, that's the beautiful lake that goes. Now, it was founded way back in 1943 for the whole purpose of being a breeding ground for the Wisconsin state bird. Ready, guys? We're now driving on the Lowland Trail. This honestly might have the most historic meaning at any piece of this whole entire property. Now, guys, off on the left over there, that is Del Creek. A little fun fact about Del Creek is all the water's actually imported. That's right, guys.
And the seaweed book?
It's Russian.
Oh, whoa. Yes, the Leo Maki on. Seaweed, the Yama, Chala University.
Was put into place, he created an artificial Lake Delton, which sits just on the other side of it up there. Now we're going to be exploring Lake Delton here in about 45 seconds.
Clap गर्दिन न आफूहरुको त दुईटा हात छ त मैले मोबाइल समातेको छु
Alright guys, we're now about to make our second splash out of the tour in artificial Lake Delton.
Yay!
Now, how would you guys like to enter the water this time? You want to go fast or do you want to go slow? Fast! Alright, cool. So guys, a couple of things you got to worry about. First, once you hit the water, there's probably going to be a slight mist coming up over the front of the duck. Like in the first couple of rows, just a teensy-weensy bit wet. You guys wasn't joking about that bird. Alright, so if I did happen to accidentally get any note that I really hard. But you also have to keep in mind that this is artificial Lake Delton option, just so I didn't open up in 2020. Right back there. Well, believe it or not, guys, that actually has absolutely nothing to do with the rest of the tour. Just wanted to give you guys the rare opportunity to say you looked out the rear end of it. Don't. where those 4 benches currently are. Hey guys, I realize I sound like a broken record repeating myself here, but I really can't stress enough how bad of a day that Ellison's truly was. Honestly guys, no matter what you say about the breach, words don't do justice to the immense damage it caused that day. So a little bit later on in this tour, I'll show you guys some pictures of the breach. Guys, off on the left, you see that big elaborate house with that big old gate in the front? So I'm gonna assume that all of you guys know who Tom Hanks is, right? Forrest Gump, Saving Private Ryan, Catch Me If You Can, Castaway, all those amazing movies. Well, that house right there, it's actually not his. It's just not
गाडी त खतरा मात्र हैन पानी आउँदा नि खतरै हुँदो रहेछ नि
got her in 2008 Doritos. So I'll see one of the loading docks, guys. Please stay seated until I can make it to the back of the dock. Let me do that ramp you want to get on. At that point, you folks are all free to go. One more time, guys. Thanks you so much for choosing to ride the original Wisconsin Ducks. I hope you all have a quacktastic rest of your day. Enjoy the Dells and have a safe trip home.
ल को पाइलट आयो है ल जान्नला हामी त टोइलेट सफा गर्ने हो क्या एउटाले पाइलट भन्ने एउटाले को पाइलट भन्ने
हामी सुत्न जाने बेला भयो
सुन्नु न दिदी तपाईँ त आँखाहरू भोलिपर्सि आँखा कानहरू डोनेट गर्नुभयो किन साह्रो देख्ने हो त भनेको त अचम्म लाग्छ ल आजको ट्रिप पनि सिद्धियो हाम्रो उहाँ त अब पौडी खेल्दै आउनु भएको अब यो लास्ट हो सामान निकाल्नु पर्यो त्यो मेरै हो